Friday, October 8th. It is around 8:30ish, and I thought it would be a fun idea to show you guys my nighttime routine. We do have a load of laundry in the washer and a load of laundry in the dryer because your girl is running out of clothes to wear. While I wait, I'm gonna make myself some dinner. After my dinner, I'm gonna have my shower. We're gonna do some skincare. I'm gonna watch either a movie or at least one episode of a TV series that I might be interested in, or maybe just a comfort show. Gonna garden a little bit. And yeah, it sounds a little boring, but that's my night routine and I enjoy it. Let me quit rambling and let's start getting ready for bed. Welcome to my kitchen. It's a little messy, but that's okay. This is my sad pan that I cook pretty much all my meals in. Obviously, we need to wash her and then get started on my dinner. This is my dinner for tonight. Do not judge me. These wontons are so good. Brand General is a good brand. I'm pretty sure it went viral over their dumplings, but I like to get their wontons. Yeah, I call this my struggle meal because it's hella good. You can cook it in 5 minutes and it fills me up. And I apologize for the noise. I just turned the fan on, but it's running while I cook. The dumplings are almost done. I'm so excited to eat this. Alright, I'm gonna eat my food and then I'm gonna check in on you guys afterwards. Okay, so I just finished eating. I do have one more load of laundry I want to do. So I'm gonna put the load in and then have my shower. See you in a bit. So I took my shower and I did my skincare. I do have to switch my laundry from the washer to the dryer. And then I'm gonna see if I'm in the mood to watch a movie or a show. Movie of choice is The Spectacular Now, just because it has Shailene Woodley in it. But I've watched it before and I actually really like it, so I'm gonna watch this while my clothes are in the dryer, and then I'm probably gonna head to bed soon. Hi. Pattern. I mean, it's not that big of a deal, and there's no way that I'll go, so... Okay, so I finished my laundry and my movie. This is the pile of laundry I will be dealing with tomorrow, and I think I'm gonna call it a night and end the vlog here. Thank you for watching if you made it this far. I know this was a really short and sweet video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to. And yeah, that's it. See you in the next video. Love you. Mwah.